What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Brian Felix here, bringing you guys another video. I just want to say thank you guys so much for tuning in to watch this video here. So this is nothing crazy. We're just doing a touch-up shampoo, exterior wash and wax, and then just the basic interior, vacuum and wipe down on this Ford Fusion or Ford Focus. I can't remember the name, but I think it was like 2020, 2021. And yeah, I mean, we detailed the inside, detailed the outside, and it turned out very well. So I just wanted to show you guys, a little behind the scenes of how we get stuff done, and I try to capture some different angles and stuff like that, trying to up the quality on this YouTube channel because we are on the road to hitting 5K. So make sure you guys subscribe, like, share, all that good stuff, and let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright, so I'll be completely honest with you guys. This car wasn't in any, terrible condition or anything like that. This client is actually on my maintenance, on my monthly maintenance now. Now the reason why we came out here was because the previous detailer left wax in the cracks and crevices of the car. So basically we were there to kind of just, redo what he did and then just make sure that there was nothing in between the cracks and crevices for the client. And it kind of sucks because they're ending up spending twice the amount on getting the car detailed. But sometimes as a detailer, I can definitely understand it and see how this stuff happens, and it's easily overlooked by us, right? Now I don't know if the guy didn't want to turn back around or come back the next day and finish the job, but overall the client wasn't happy, so he called us and we got the job done for him, and he was actually super happy, and he wants to get on our monthly maintenance deal. So just a little bit of an overview on what's going on with this detail here. Alright, so I'll be completely honest with you guys. We did the inside first, right? So what you guys are seeing here, it's us detailing, but we detailed actually before we did the wash. So I just kind of felt like showing the wash was better, better aesthetics, better video quality, just to show the foam and stuff like that first, and then show the interior. I mean, I don't know. It's kind of like something that as a creator you just try to pay attention to, what you guys like seeing and stuff like that. And from the looks of it, you guys like seeing, the wash and stuff like that. So I don't know. I could be wrong. Just let me know in the comment section down below. Also, let me know if you want me to get a GoPro mounted like on my chest or something like that, because I feel like these close-ups show you a different perspective, a different point of view on what's actually being detailed and stuff on the interior. Because I know a lot of people are wondering what exactly do we do and stuff like that, and it's just very hard trying to capture every little thing that's going on in the detailing process. So hopefully you guys still enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and Yeah, man, let's go ahead and continue with this detail though, man. It's just turned out very well. Hey man, y'all know what to do though. We're gonna go ahead and end the video here. I want you guys to make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe with your friends, family, anybody you know that might like detailing videos and stuff like that. Make sure you go ahead and share this video with them. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I will catch you guys in the next one, and enjoy the rest of the video. Peace.